Hey guys, and welcome to DoAfCo.com. So this is the first lecture of our series, operating system series. So here we will talk about how to create a process in operating system. So since you know the basic command, that is ls, so I've already created a program for you all, that is hello.c. So what exactly a process is? A process is a program that is executing and taking some CPU cycle. I've already written everything about process and how to create a process in my blog, so you can read that. So this is a basic program in C, that is my hello world program. So I have created this program and put the hello word in while one. Why I put the hello word in while one is the reason, because if you just create this program and save it and do gcc, that is compile the program, so after compiling we will get output file named hello. So if you will execute this file in background, okay, so now open new terminal and see whether this process is there or not. So you can see using two commands, that is top. So in top, I think you can see this hello. So that's why I put this hello in while. So when you terminate it using Control C, so since this is in background, so this is not terminating. So now hello is no longer in our top. So after this, what we need to do, there is another command, that is ps. So I have already written that command. Yeah, here it is. So here also you can find all the processes that are working. So you can do quit. So in ps, what all we have is ps minus option. These are the options, that is emo, and then we have PID, that is our process ID. Then we have PPID, that is our parent process ID. Then we have CMD, that tells what process we are running. Then we have, okay, let me show you, that tells the information about the process we are running. Then status, that tell what is the state of the process, that is whether it is in suspended state or sleeping state or something. Then we have real time priority, that is RT prior. Then we have nice value. I'll talk about this in the scheduling. Then we have class, that is our scheduling policy. Like for this is time sharing, that is TS. There is also FF, that is prior plus FCFS. Then we have PSR, that is processor ID, that is third processor, second processor. Since it is i3, so it has only 2 cores, so that means 4 processor. So this is how we create a process in OS. Till then, stay tuned. Please like, share and subscribe.